wind's wings, they did darken the sky. His roar, fury's fire, and his scales sharpened sides. Men ran and they cowered, and they fought and they died. They burned and they bled as they issued their cries. Dovakim, naloksim los varim, wadain vokul mafera kasbar. Alfinoro pal gran fod nostron sindrosan, dovakim fachin kogan mudra. We need saviors to free us from Alduin's reach, heroes on the field of this new war to wage. And if Alduin wins, man is gone from this world, lost in the shadow of the black wings on fur. But then came the tongues on that terrible day, steadfast as winter, they entered the fray, and all heard the music of Alduin's doom, the sweet song of Skyrim, sky-shattering Thum. And so the tongues freed us from Alduin's rage, gave the gift of the voice, ushered in a new age. And if Alduin's eternal, then eternity's done, for his story is over and the dragons are gone. So the tongues freed us from Alduin's reach, gave the gift of the voice, ushered in a new age. And if Alduin's eternal, then eternity's done, for his story is over and the dragons are gone. Oh, there once was a hero named Ragnar the Red, who came riding to Whiterun from old Rorikstead. And the braggart did swagger and brandish his blade as he told of bold battles and gold he had made. But then he went quiet, did Ragnar the Red, when he met the shield maiden Matilda, who said, "Oh, you talk and you lie and you drink all our mead. Now I think it's high time that you lie down and bleed." And so then came clashing and slashing of steel as the brave lass Matilda charged in full of steel. And the braggart named Ragnar was boastful no more, when his ugly red head rolled around on the floor. The braggart named Ragnar was boastful no more, when his ugly red head rolled around on the floor. We tilled Skyrim's ground despite frozen toil. We tended the Kwama beneath Morrowind's soil. We hunted the Wamasu in black marshes glades. We three hearts had no need for blades. Then they came from the seas, folded steel in their hands. They burned down our homes and ravaged our lands. A Kaviri brought nothing but bloodshed and lies. Our families were slain before our eyes. With three separate people, they shared a cruel joke, a choice between death or the yoke. But then our three people knew what must be done to end the oppression. Of three became one, forged by war. The Evan hearts rose and drove the Akaviri back to the sea. When the enemies begged for the mercy they lacked, three voices as one shouted blood for the pact. Forged by war, our story be told. No shackles can hold us, whether moonstone or gold. Snow through the pillars of the pale. Rest your feet, come and listen to the tales. Raise your mug to the legends of the frost. Through our songs they will never be lost. Tales that will never be lost, kept in the legends of the frost. Tales that will never be lost, kept in the legends of the frost.
Kruzig achri halvulok, oblan kosti rainorok, brena brunik sarot vadin, zemam mulken of green.
Tales that will never be lost, kept in the legends of the frost. Tales that will never be lost, kept in the legends of the frost.
A part of history, long remembered warriors be. Distant thunder echoes of the past, through our voices forever to last. So raise your mug to the legends of the frost. Through our songs they will never be lost. Raise your mug to the legends of the frost. Through our songs they will never